Hey, what's going on, y'all? Try it third. Try it third. We doing shrimp scampi. And this is made by Easter. And we finna see if this is a must try or don't try that. But anyway, we're gonna get in this skillet, cook it per the instructions. Then we gonna give it a try and see if we should buy this. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it.
Yeah, y'all. Don't forget to give me that LSS. Oh, what is that? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. So yeah, I'm looking at these instructions on how to cook this. Oh my goodness. It's so easy. We just gonna turn our stove to a medium high. Let our pan warm up. And we gonna get our ingredients in. Just that simple. Just that simple, y'all. Oh my goodness. I wonder how this gonna come out. But anyway, after we empty our ingredients out our bag, we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick mixy mix. It smells pretty good, actually, y'all. So yeah, now all we gotta do, we're gonna cut it down to medium low and just put the lid on. And I'll see y'all in about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes done passed, look what we got here, y'all. Looks pretty good. Let's go and plate up, y'all. Let's plate up. Oh my. Oh my. Now this bag costs like $3 and some change. Now with mine, I went on and added some Parmesan cheese, and of course I did me some garlic bread. These are things I always have with pasta. So let's go and give it a taste. Just the pasta first. It's pasta and sauce here, y'all. Oh, okay. It's actually a pretty good flavor with it. Let's taste the shrimp. See about what size you get. They're kind of small, but what can you expect? Hey, tastes like a shrimp. Pretty good. And the sauce is pretty good. Hey, and you know, for me, it's low in sodium, so I'm gonna say it's a must try. Must try. Very easy to do. Quick, easy meal for you anytime. Oh yeah, try this one, y'all. Try it. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.